In this video, we will study the next property of rational numbers, which is associativity. As you already know associative property, it says, okay, first we will see for addition. So you have a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. So which two numbers you add first, it does not make a difference when you are given three numbers. That is what associativity says. So let us take the first addition. Suppose I take a as minus 2 upon 3, b as 3 upon 5 and c as minus 5 upon 6. Then first we will take this. A plus b plus c will be equal to, your a is minus 2 upon 3 plus, I have taken square bracket here because I have a number with a negative sign. So this will be 3 upon 5 plus c is minus 5 upon 6. This is equal to minus 2 upon 3 plus 3 upon 5 plus into minus is minus, so minus 5 upon 6. So this is equal to minus 2 upon 3 plus, if I take LCM I get 30. So this is 18 minus 25 upon 30. Upon solving I get minus 2 upon 3 minus 7 upon 30, and this is equal to minus 27 upon 30. So on cancellation I get minus 9 upon 10. So we have got a plus b plus c as minus 9 upon 10. Now let us take a plus b plus c. What will happen if I add these two numbers first? A is minus 2 upon 3 plus b is 3 upon 5 plus c is minus 5 upon 6. So first when I solve this bracket, I get minus 10 plus 9 upon 15 minus 5 upon 6, and this is equal to minus 10 plus 9 is minus 1 upon 15 minus 5 upon 6. The LCM here is 30, so I get minus 2 minus 25 upon 30, which is minus 27 upon 30, and this is equal to minus 9 upon 10. You can do the calculations later and see how you have got this. Okay, you already know how to find the LCM for a given number. So here also you get minus 9 upon 10. So what can you conclude from this? A plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. So rational numbers are associative under the operation of addition. Okay, so associative properties holds true for rational numbers under addition. Now we will see whether the associative property holds true for subtraction. Let us take a as minus 2 upon 3, b 3 upon 5 and c minus 5 upon 6. If your associative property holds true, then you should get a minus b minus c should be equal to a minus b minus c. So if this holds true, then rational numbers are associative under subtraction. So let us take the numbers. You have a minus b minus c is equal to a is minus 2 upon 3 minus b is 3 upon 5 minus c is minus 5 upon 6. So you get minus 2 upon 3 minus, let us solve the numbers inside the bracket, square bracket. This is 3 upon 5 minus into minus plus, so plus 5 upon 6. So you get minus 2 upon 3 minus, this is after solving, you will get 18 plus 25 upon 30. So you have minus 2 upon 3 minus, this is 43 upon 30. So again on solving, you get minus 20 minus 43 upon 30, and this is equal to minus 63 upon 30. So you have got a minus b minus c as minus 63 upon 30. Now let us see a minus b minus c. So a is minus 2 upon 3 minus b is 3 upon 5 minus c is minus 5 upon 6. So when you solve this, you get minus 10 minus 9 upon 15. Minus minus becomes plus, so plus 5 upon 6. So here you have minus 10 minus 9 is minus 19 upon 15 plus 5 upon 6. Okay, now here the LCM is 30, so you get minus 19 into 2. Why? Because 15 is already there here. So after solving, you get minus 38 plus 25 upon 30, and this is minus 13 upon 30. So you have seen a minus b minus c is minus 63 upon 30, and a minus b minus c is minus 13 upon 30. So you have seen that these two are not equal. Okay, so since they are not equal, what can you conclude from this? You can say rational numbers are not associative under subtraction. So rational numbers were associative under addition, but they are not associative under subtraction. Now let us go to the third operation, which is multiplication. So let us take a, b and c as these three numbers. So if associativity holds true, then this condition has to be satisfied. If you see, only thing that changes is the sign. There we had a plus b plus c, a is equal to a plus b plus c. In the previous case, we had a minus b minus c is equal to a minus b minus c. So now since we are considering multiplication, only the sign will change. A multiplied by b multiplied by c is equal to a into b multiplied by c. So we have to check whether this is equal. So let us proceed. So a multiplied by b into c is a is minus 7 upon 3. So minus 7 upon 3 multiplied by b is 5 upon 4 multiplied by 2 upon 9. So since all are multiplied, you can write it as minus 7 upon 3 multiplied by, you can cancel these, 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. So 5 upon 2 into, this is 1 here, so 1 upon 9. So when you multiply all this, first you multiply the numerator, you will get 35 upon, this is 54 and the negative sign. So a multiplied by b multiplied by c is minus 35 upon 54. What is a multiplied by b multiplied by c? This is minus 7 upon 3 into 5 upon 4 into 2 upon 9. So you have here minus 7 into 5 is minus 35 upon 12 multiplied by 2 upon 9. So you have here 2 and 12 will get cancelled, and you will get minus 35 upon, this is 1, so minus 35 into 1 is minus 35 upon 6 nines are 54. So here also you have got minus 35 upon 54, and here also minus 35 upon 54. So you see a into b into c is equal to a into b into c. Means what? Associative property is satisfied for rational numbers under the operation of multiplication. So as I have said, rational numbers are associative under multiplication. So the next and the final operation that we have to check is the division. Means what? I have to check whether a divided by b divided by c is equal to a divided by b divided by c. So let us take the first one, a divided by b divided by c. A is half divided by b is minus 1 upon 3 divided by 2 upon 5. This is equal to half divided by minus 1 upon 3. I said when you convert the sign from division to multiplication, this number becomes the reciprocal. So this is minus 1 upon 3. You're changing the sign. So multiplied by reciprocal of 2 upon 5 is 5 upon 2. Okay. So you get half divided by minus 5 upon 6. Again you want to convert the sign from division to multiplication. So you take it as half multiplied by reciprocal of minus 5 upon 6 is minus 6 upon 5. So on cancellation you will get 1 into minus 3 upon this is 1. So 1 into 5 is 5. Now let us see what you get when you take this. A is half divided by minus 1 upon 3 divided by 2 upon 5. This is equal to half multiplied by, you are changing the sign. So the reciprocal of this is minus 3 upon 1, which is minus 3 itself, divided by 2 upon 5. So this is equal to 1 into minus 3 is minus 3. So minus 3 upon 2 divided by 2 upon 5. So this is equal to minus 3 upon 2 multiplied by 5 upon 2. And this is equal to, you get minus 3 into 5 is minus 15 upon 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. So here you have seen on solving, this is equal to minus 5 upon 6 and this is equal to minus 15 upon 4, and they are not equal, correct? So you have got that this property does not hold true. So what can you conclude from this? That rational numbers are not associative under the operation of division. So far we have studied 3 properties. Okay. So first property that we studied was closure property, then commutativity, and then associativity. So what we have seen, under addition, rational numbers are closed, commutative as well as associative. Under subtraction, they are closed but they are not commutative. Okay, a minus b was not equal to b minus a. And was it associative? No, even associativity was not holding true. Under multiplication, just like addition, rational numbers are closed. Under addition, commutative as well as associative. What about division? You have seen rational numbers are not closed under division because 2 upon 0 is not defined. So it is not a rational number. Even commutativity does not hold true, and also associativity. So addition and multiplication, all the properties are satisfied, and subtraction and division, you see some of the properties are not satisfied. So these are some of the properties of rational numbers.